Hey, Kirk Simmon here. Hope you're having a great day. Just wanted to talk to you today real quick about energy and new homes and why it's so great to have a new home energy-wise. As I'm looking at my bills, I have a new home. Even going from a new home that's a few years old to another new home, the energy efficiency of new homes is just amazing, and it's hard to calculate. But what I can tell you is, right now, the homes, the way they build them with the energy efficiency, you can save hundreds of dollars a month for the same size home just because it's newer. So there are some great advantages to new homes. That's just one of them, and it comes through the construction, the materials, and the systems that they put in the homes, the smart thermostats, etc., and the equipment, high efficiency, and all of the developments. They just seem to get better every year. Have a great day.